The Enigmatic Cube, a secret mission in Pakistan. It was a scorching summer afternoon in the vibrant city of Lahore. Inspector Jamshed, a seasoned detective known for his sharp intellect and relentless pursuit of justice, was enjoying a rare day off with his 3 kids, Mahmood, Farooq, and Farzana. Suddenly, a courier delivered a mysterious package to their doorstep. The box was unmarked, and its contents were unknown. Curiosity gripped the family as they carefully opened it to reveal a Rubik's cube with a hidden compartment containing a cryptic message. The message, written in an intricate code, hinted at a secret mission that could change the course of Pakistan's history. With his instincts alert and the family's collective brainpower engaged, they set out to decode the Rubik's cube's message. The puzzle unfolds. As the days passed, Inspector Jamshed and the kids tirelessly worked on the Rubik's cube. Each twist and turn unveiled a new layer of the puzzle, revealing cryptic symbols and obscure patterns. The city of Lahore witnessed the family venturing to various historical sites, libraries, and secret chambers, searching for clues hidden within the city's rich heritage. The Rubik's cube became more than just a puzzle, it became a gateway to a world of secrets and intrigue. Their determination to uncover the truth only intensified, even as danger lurked around every corner. Chapter 3: Clues and Conundrums. The Rubik's cube held secrets that had remained concealed for centuries. Every solved layer brought them closer to the heart of the mission. Clues emerged, guiding them through a labyrinth of puzzles, riddles, and challenges scattered throughout Lahore. As they followed the trail of hidden messages, they stumbled upon the existence of a shadowy organization known as the Puzzle Masters. This enigmatic group had protected ancient artifacts with immense power for generations, including the fabled Amulet of Time. Unbeknownst to Inspector Jamshed and the kids, their pursuit of the Rubik's Cube's secrets had drawn the attention of an enemy country's intelligence agency. Mr. D, a cunning and ruthless agent from the enemy country, was determined to seize the Amulet of Time for his nation's nefarious purposes. Unknown to the family, Mr. D had enlisted the help of a mercenary gang to intercept their progress and sabotage their mission. The danger escalated as they found themselves caught in a deadly cat-and-mouse game, with Mr. D and his henchmen always one step behind. The final showdown. With every solved puzzle, Inspector Jamshed and his kids drew closer to the location of the Amulet of Time, an ancient temple nestled in the heart of the Margalla Hills. However, Mr. D's ruthless pursuit made each step more treacherous, and the stakes soared. In the shadow of the towering temple, a final confrontation loomed. Inside the sacred chamber, the family faced a puzzle of epic proportions, protecting the amulet from falling into Mr. D's hands. Chapter 6: Triumph and Sacrifice. In the heart-pounding climax, Inspector Jamshed and the kids unlocked the power of the Amulet of Time. But as its true purpose was revealed, they faced a heart-wrenching decision. The amulet possessed the ability to change the course of history, but they recognized that it could also cause irreversible chaos. With wisdom and bravery, they chose to safeguard the amulet and protect the fragile balance of time, even at great personal cost. Mr. D's sinister plans were thwarted, and the enemy's grip on the sacred artifact was shattered. Chapter 7: A Bond Strengthened. As they emerged from the ancient temple, victorious yet somber, Inspector Jamshed and his kids knew that they had undergone an extraordinary transformation. Their journey had taught them the power of unity, the significance of their heritage, and the beauty of Pakistan's history. In the aftermath of the mission, the family returned to Lahore as heroes, with their names etched into the annals of the city's history. They were celebrated for their courage, intellect, and unwavering dedication to their nation. Epilogue: The legacy continues. The tale of the Enigmatic Cube and the secret mission became a celebrated legend throughout Pakistan. The Amulet of Time found a safe home, guarded by the Puzzle Masters, and the Rubik's Cube stood as a symbol of the Inspector Jamshed family's incredible journey. With newfound admiration for their father, Mahmood, Farooq, and Farzana decided to follow in Inspector Jamshed's footsteps, embarking on their own paths in the world of law and justice. Together, they formed an unbreakable bond, united by their shared memories of the adventure that had forever changed their lives. And so, the story of Inspector Jamshed and the kids served as an enduring testament to the resilience of Pakistan and its people. The legacy of their secret mission resonated with the hearts of every Pakistani, inspiring future generations to embrace their heritage, protect their treasures, and embrace the enigmas of life with unwavering courage and determination.